Is Bandhan Life's Ulip Plus plan really the plus factor in wealth and protection, or just another Ulip with marketing dazzle? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before analyzing this policy, let us first understand some of the basic details about this policy. So this is a unit-linked non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. So some of the key features of the policy are your allocation charges are refunded at the end of the 10th policy year, and up to 3 times the mortality charges are also returned from the 11th policy year onwards. And loyalty additions are added from the 7th policy year to enhance your overall returns. You also get to enjoy a special discount on allocation charges for women policyholders, and you get to choose from 5 investment strategies tailored to your financial goals. You also get to choose from 5 investment strategies tailored to your financial goals, and you get to create a secondary income stream through partial withdrawals. And you're also eligible for tax advantages as per the prevailing tax laws, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, return of mortality charges, return of premium allocation charges if applicable, and also loyalty additions. So these are some of the benefits under this plan. But as a unit link policy, they also charge various charges like premium allocation charge, fund management charge, policy administration charge, discontinuance charges. So compared to other market linked investment options, the charges under this plan are significantly higher, and they are charged throughout the policy term. So these recurring deductions reduce the effective investment amount, thereby lowering your overall returns in the long run. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are you get top-up options where you can enhance your investment by paying top-up premiums, and you also get to access funds through partial withdrawals with the choice of systematic partial withdrawal, retirement income plan, and chosen rate withdrawal plan. So you also get to receive your maturity benefit as a structured payout over a chosen period up to 5 years from the maturity date. You can also modify your premium paying term, reduce your premium, or adjust the sum assured multiple as per your needs, and you get to change premium allocation proportions across various funds and switch between funds anytime based on your investment strategy. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages, like this plan does not offer you any loan provision, and the returns are not commensurate with the level of risk involved, and the sum assured may not be sufficient to meet your family's financial needs. And although certain charges are refunded, the time value of money is not factored in, reducing the actual benefit. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us make a more informed decision. But if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has invested in this policy with a sum assured of 30 lakh. The policy term is 25 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. The annual premium is 1 lakh. The fund value at the end of 25 years is payable as a maturity benefit. So as per the example projected return in the policy brochure, the projected investment rate of return is assumed to be 4 and 8% per annum. These projections are not guaranteed, as the actual value will depend on multiple factors including market performance and fund management. So the assumed returns are there just to show you how this policy can perform at worst and best case scenario. So at 4% per annum, the fund value is 16.76 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 2.54% as per the policy's maturity calculator, lower than even a savings bank account. At 8% per annum, the fund value is 34.66 lakhs, translating to an IRR of 6.18% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is still below average fixed deposit returns. So in both scenarios, the returns are not proportionate to the market risk involved. Moreover, the returns fail to beat inflation, meaning the plan does not effectively support long-term wealth accumulation. So considering the low returns, liquidity restrictions, and inadequate life cover, the policy does not stand out as a suitable investment option for your portfolio. So now, as we know that this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis analysis where we are going to take up an alternative approach in which we are not going to invest in insurance and investment combined like Bandhan policy. Instead, we are going to invest in it separately just to see whether that can give us better efficient returns. But we are going to use the same parameters from the previous example for a similar and fair comparison. So for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy offering 30 lakh sum assured, which was cost us a premium of only 21,700 rupees per year. So this leaves us with a balance of 78,300 rupees, which can be invested according to your financial goals and risk appetite. So here, just for example purpose, let us assume this remaining amount is going to be invested in an equity mutual fund, as in a long term period it can potentially give us better returns. So now comparing the outcomes over the same 25-year period, you can see the pre-tax maturity value from the equity mutual fund is 84.23 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value stands at 74.84 lakhs. So the post-tax IRR for this term insurance plus mutual fund combination works out to be 10.11%. So this return not only beats inflation but also enables faster wealth accumulation over the long term period. In contrast, this policy delivers much lower returns despite involving market risk. Hence, separating insurance and investment proves to be a more rewarding and efficient strategy for building wealth. What is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bandhan Life ULIP Plus plan worth it or not? So as the name suggests, this policy is a unit-linked insurance plan that combines life insurance coverage with a market-linked investment component. However, the product comes with high charges compared to other market-linked investment options. Although some charges are refunded later, the time value of money is ignored, meaning the fund refund doesn't truly compensate for the impact of these deductions. Since only the net premium after charges is invested, your long-term returns are adversely affected. An analysis of the benefit illustration clearly shows that the returns are low for an equity linked product and the risk return balance is not proportionate, and it also has a high agent commission. Investing in this policy can slow down your wealth accumulation, potentially leaving you short of your financial goals, especially when you factor in inflation. A more effective approach is to separate insurance and investment. For life protection, opt for a pure term life insurance policy which offers adequate coverage at a lower cost. For wealth creation, channel your savings into better yielding investment products like mutual funds that align with your goals and risk tolerance. So before finalizing any investment, always evaluate the risk and return potential. And if you're unsure about how to analyze a product, you can always consult with a qualified financial advisor.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.